Hands in. Crystal Fountain on 3, ready? 1, 2, 3, Crystal Fountain! Thank you everyone for coming tonight. This is a great turnout. Welcome to Crystal Fountain Park. History is being read, but it is also being written by people with imagination. Many of the things you are about to hear may sound like they come from a storybook, but they come from right here at Crystal Fountain Park in small town Sherwood, Ohio, in the heart of Defiance County.
If everybody wants to do a 1, 2, 3, and we'll cut it, okay?
Where is Sherwood, Ohio? If only I had a nickel for every time someone asked me that question. Sherwood is the geographical center of Defiance County and is where my family has chosen to deeply plant its roots.
1, 2, 3!
All right, come on in.
Research documents at the Sherwood Library on Crystal Fountain Park end as follows. So draws to a close a wonderful era, a time rich with history that only through stories passed down, generations to come will recall a bustling and eccentric evolution of history in a small village in Northwest Ohio. But what they didn't know was a new chapter of the story is just beginning.
I often hear people say that Sherwood is a dying town, and up until about 5 years ago, I would have agreed with them. But there must be something in the water here. There's excitement again. There are new houses going up. There are new businesses opening every year. In the 36 years that I've been alive, I've seen more progress in Sherwood in the last 5 years than the prior 30.
Today, the Wentworth and Crystal Fountain Park are reimagined for a new generation and the next chapter of the story as a premier wedding venue and event destination.
And now we have Northwest Ohio's premier wedding destination.
To quote the park's first president, Fred Dunakin, in the Sherwood Chronicle, drop your work and the bustle of the world and come to Crystal Fountain Park. Bring all the family and enjoy the good things provided for you. Know that through our untiring labors, we can procure for the people of Sherwood and the vicinity a beautiful place. So come, brothers and sisters of all classes and religions, and rejoice with us. Come lend your approval to the efforts we are making to place Crystal Fountain Park second to none. Here's to the next chapter of the story.
Present to everybody the Wentworth at Crystal Fountain Park, reimagined and re-envisioned by Levi and Kelsey and Luke and Samantha.